Being a waiter or waitress is more than just serving food. It's about creating moments, a warm smile on a busy day, a calm presence when things go wrong, and the kind of service that makes people feel seen. My name is Faisal Nadeem, and I know that you are probably feeling a bit stressed about your upcoming job interview. You have been searching all over the internet for standout answers, and you are looking for the best way to prepare the important waiter or waitress interview questions as well. Well, I'm here to tell you that you have just clicked the right video. If you are serious about getting ready and don't want to waste any more time, just give me your 5 precious minutes. I guarantee you this video not only recalls you the important topics but also cover the most common and important interview questions that truly matters. Before we dive into each question, I will explain what the interviewer expects from your answer so you can respond the right way based on your own experience. Many candidates make the mistake of over explaining, which often makes it clear they are not fully prepared. I have kept my answers to the point, so please avoid irrelevant discussions. The more you talk, interviewer will ask you all sorts of questions and that is where your mind will get stuck, so keep it to the point. Also, let's talk about the tell me about yourself question. A lot of candidates take this lightly, but it's actually one of the most important questions. In fact, 80% of hiring manager judge you based on how you answer this one. So make sure you prepare for this professionally. I have made a separate video both for freshers and experienced candidates separately on how you can create your tell me about yourself answer by following my 7 steps formula. You can create your answer within minutes. The steps are very simple and so easy. I have attached the link in the description of this video. You will also see the thumbnail at the end of this video as well. Let's start our preparation with this question. Tell me about yourself. Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your hiring manager is that your hiring manager wants to know about your personality, communication style, and customer service attitude. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I'm a friendly and hardworking person who enjoys interacting with people. I stay calm under pressure and love providing good service to customers. I'm always ready to learn and help the team. Question number 2. Why do you want to work as a waiter or waitress? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your hiring manager is that your hiring manager wants to check your motivation for the role. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I enjoy working in a fast paced environment and making customers feel welcome. Serving people with a smile and giving them a good experience gives me real satisfaction. Question number 3. What are the key responsibilities of a waiter or waitress? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your hiring manager is that your hiring manager wants to make sure you understand the role clearly. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, taking orders, serving food and drinks, answering customer questions, keeping the dining area clean, and making sure every guest has a good experience, all are these important key responsibilities of a waiter or waitress. Question number 4. How do you handle a difficult or rude customer? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your hiring manager is that your hiring manager wants to test your patience and problem solving skills. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I stay calm and polite, listen carefully to their concern, and try to solve the issue quickly. If needed, I involve the supervisor without escalating the situation. Question number 5. What would you do if a customer complains about their food? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your hiring manager is that your hiring manager wants to see how you handle complaints professionally. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I would listen carefully, apologize politely, and offer to replace or fix the issue. I would make sure the customer feels heard and satisfied before they leave. Question number 6. How do you stay organized during busy hours? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your hiring manager is that your hiring manager wants to understand how you manage pressure and multitask. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I stay focused, follow a system, and keep track of tables and orders. I communicate clearly with the kitchen and team and stay calm even when it's busy. Question number 7. Are you comfortable working evenings, weekends, or holidays? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your hiring manager is that your hiring manager wants to check your availability and flexibility. So how you can answer to this particular question is that yes, I understand this job requires flexible hours and I'm ready to work evenings, weekends and holidays as needed. Question number 8. What are your salary expectations? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your hiring manager is that your hiring manager wants to ensure your expectations match their budget. So how you can answer to this particular question is that well, I'm open to a fair offer based on your company's pay structure. I'm more focused on gaining experience and providing excellent service. Question number 9. Do you have any questions for us? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your hiring manager is that your hiring manager wants to see if you are genuinely interested in the job or not. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that yes, I would love to know more about your team environment and what kind of training or growth opportunities are available here. So there you have it, 9 most important waiter or waitress job interview questions along with their sample answers. Always remember that practice makes perfect. So take these answers as a starting point and tailor them to your own experiences and skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel Knowledge Dropper and also gives a thumbs up as well. You can also share it with anyone you think could benefit from it, and don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future video topics. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video on Knowledge Topper. Until then, keep striving for professional success. Have a very good day.